Focus. Alright, what's going on today, guys? We are also working on the Civic in this video too. I am throwing on my short shifter. I have this bushing here. I don't know what it's supposed to help do, but I got it and it was free, so I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna pull my car over there to where the Miata is, and I also have to update y'all on what's going on with that. Alright, so this is the throw with the stock shifter. It's like you're going from Colombia to Texas. So hopefully it shortened it up quite a bit. Why are you so out of focus? Huh. So got the short shifter in, and there's good lighting. That's a lot shorter. I'm honestly a little nervous about this, but oh well. I think it looks good. I'm about to put the center console back on, and then we're going to change out the valve cover gasket because that has been needing to be done for some time now. I'm trying to. Oh, yep. Oh, that's my ear. And okay, this tripod's not working. Yep. I'm going to do the valve cover next. Quick little update, guys. It's broke.
Oh my god.
I got the valve cover gasket on, the short throw shifter on, and all that. FedEx, so I did order new tires for the Civic. I went with a 205/50 Hankook Venus V2, I think. And FedEx should be here today from what their website's saying. It's hard to hold this with also a ratchet in my hand. This is probably going to be the end of the video though. Sorry it was a short one, but short and sweet I guess does the job. Oh yeah, no, I told you I was gonna, the Miata is under the knife right now. Yes, I do park my car outside. Oh well. That happened. So, it's either spend a lot of money on a new soft top and have someone put it on because I don't know what I'm doing, or save it a little bit more and buy a hard top and then not have to worry about it anymore. So I think I'm just going to get a hard top because that's the more logical thing to do. So that being said, stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out. See you on the next one.